UnderPants WonderPants. Written by Peter Bentley. Illustrated by Deborah Melmon. From the creators of UnderPants WonderPants. Is it an eagle? Is it a plane? No, it's UnderPants WonderPants to the rescue again. Whenever you need him, in sun, snow, or shower, he'll fix all your problems with UnderPants power. Elephant sat on our nest, grumbles Mouse. No problem, says WonderPants. Zap! In UnderPants' house, polar bear cub can't keep up in the storm. Zap! Thanks to WonderPants, she's cozy and warm. Kangaroo cries, I've been itching all night. Zap! In this hammock, the insects can't bite. The fisherman's ripped a big hole in his net. Zap! Thank you, WonderPants. It's my biggest catch yet. Help! Cries the queen. It's so far to the ground. WonderPants' parachute helps her land safe and sound. WonderPants zooms to the river, and in a great swoop, he puts out the fire with his super pants scoop. But that's not the end of his super pants day. An alien spaceship is heading this way. The creatures are grinning and shaking with mirth. As soon as we land, we'll take over the earth. But imagine the look on each alien's face when a WonderPants sling sends them zap back to space. The people all cheer as they watch from afar. WonderPants has saved us all. Here's our super pants star. The end.